Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Today's video, guys, we'll be working here on this BMW 3 Series, guys, generation 2005-2013, and we'll show you how to remove and where to locate and replace the fuse for the fuel injectors. Okay, even if you have a different engine than ours, location might be the same. It depends on when your car was built, because BMW uses 2 or 3 different fuse boxes depending on the build date. In the meantime, we have more than 200 videos on this car, so please subscribe to the channel for more videos, guys. We'll be constantly uploading videos for that BMW and other cars as well. Now, that fuse is located under the hood, okay, under the hood, and you can see that's the fuse box where your engine computer is located as well. So you need to remove that cover. We'll have the video on the channel. If you don't know how to, please check it out. And let me show you now where the fuse is located. Okay, we have that little bitty fuse box that consists of 5 fuses. Okay, this fuse box is usually inside the box, but you can pull it up, okay, by pressing on that notch with a screwdriver, and you can just pull it up, gentle around the wires and not to pull any wire out of it. It's easier if you pull it out to replace the fuses, and you cannot just replace one fuse, you have to pull the whole assembly out and then you can access the single fuse, and we'll show you how. It says, the manual says that it's fuse number 5, but it's a little bit unclear if 5 is on the very left or the very right side. In my opinion, I think it's on this side, but I would recommend to check all the fuses once you remove it anyway. So how you do that? Right here we have a small screwdriver, okay, and we're going to pry that clip open. After that, we're going to go ahead, okay, and pry the fuse box up a little bit. I recommend using a plastic too, don't use a screwdriver like I do. Okay, and you have the fuse panel right here. On the bottom part you have 2 teeth here, and I believe 2 on each side on the front. Once you get those loose, you can slide that thing out, and now you can access the fuses. Okay, you can see 5th fuse is a 30 amp fuse, okay, right here. And you can just go ahead and pull it out if you need to. In the meantime, check all of them to make sure this is the correct one. And if you have a burnt fuse, just replace it with the same amperage fuse that you have here. All the parts and tools that we use in the videos, guys, check out where we get them from. It will be in the description of the video below. So when you replace your fuse, put it in, get that cover on. You need to slide it until it clicks. I will leave ours open because we'll still be making more videos on those fuses. And later, just go ahead, okay, and press it in. Make sure all the fuses are in so you don't bend any pins. Okay, perfect, like that. And this will need to go in the fuse box where it used to be mounted, and use the cover as well. So thank you for watching. Hopefully, guys, the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We guys have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.